this video starts, I want you guys to comment down below your name so you will be entered in this giveaway. We will be giving away 5 Snow in Seconds packets for you guys to try at home. Make sure you go on the Instant Water to Snow video to see how it works.
What's poppin', guys? It's the Hubz Bros here. Today we are at the arcade and we will be showing you a coin pusher hack. It gets you more tickets and better prizes.
So what you need for this hack is you need a tape measure and make sure it's skinny so it can fit in this token holder, and make sure you cut off the metal part so it can fit also. So you need to put, here, hold this. Put the tape measure in and keep it down. Wait till the coins and push the coins. And then just keep doing that and you'll get a lot of tickets.
Play cricket.
Not any yet.
Let's adjust it. Oh. There's one.
Yeah.
There's a $25 gift card.
A $50 gift card.
And the one that we are going for is a $100 gift card.
Still got a lot left.
$2,500. You won the big prize.
Yeah! Got the highest prize. Okay, now we're going to get the $100. It is door 5.
Select more tickets or select a prize.
Dang.
Open door number 5.
Yes!